In this video, I'll show you how to buy crypto on Coinbase. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. First thing you're going to do is open up and log into your Coinbase account. If you don't already have a Coinbase account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will also get you 5 USDC as a welcome bonus. After you've logged into your account, you should see a page that looks like this. If you don't and it looks something like this, you're just going to go right over here to the top left-hand corner, click on this menu button, and toggle off advanced. And once you're on this page, we're just going to go right down here to the bottom left-hand corner and click on buy and sell. Buy with crypto and cash. And from this list, you're going to select the crypto you want to buy. For this example, I want to select Solana. Right here, you're going to enter in the amount of Solana you want to buy. For this example, I'll use 40 euros. Right here where it says pay with, you can select a payment option. This is the payment option that show up for me. You might have different payment options, but just click on it, fill out the information. For this example, I'm going to select my bank debit card. Make sure Solana is selected. Tap on review order. And right here, you're going to review it and make sure everything is correct. This is how much SOL that I'll receive. And this is the fee that I'm going to have to pay. After you make sure everything is correct, just tap on buy now, confirm the transaction. And that's how to buy crypto on Coinbase. And as you can see, here's the SOL that I just bought. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.